Okay, here is a brief introduction on how to use our discussion board on our new website. So first thing you do is go to More Categories, click on Faculty Staff Resources, and of course you have to sign in with your UHID. You didn't see my password now, did you? Log in. And here we go. Oh, good. I didn't have to do that second part there, the push. I guess I did that before. Okay, so here we are on the internet. Click on Discussion Board. And now on Discussion Board, there's a number of forum things here. And there's topics under the forums. And I set up something called Adapting to Coronavirus. So click on that. And then if you want to add another topic, click on Add Topic, enter topic title. I will fill this in later. Add topic. Whoops, content characters must be greater. Okay, I'll add something here. Add topic. Okay, very good, very good. So I will deal with that later. Now you can also reply to a topic. This is replying to working with coronavirus. Or you can go up to adapting. Click on another topic like first Zoom day. And respond to, I put on something here, Paul Briggs, yes I am. And then Pavika responded to me, and so did Desi. So anyway, that is how you do it. And it's very easy, very straightforward. All you have to do is go on to the discussion board, do that dual factor authentication. Faculty staff resources, dual factor authentication, discussion board, and then post a topic, hopefully under adapting to coronavirus, or you can do anything else, and then you can respond to a topic as well. Alrighty, I will do my best to post this and send this on the email way.